Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where you cannot complete extraction in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you to an easier fix. Just download this tool called 7-Zip and hit enter. Go to the 7-Zip download page. Download the 64-bit exe version. Click on open. Wait till the installer launches. Click on install and install it. Okay, now once this is done, we'll go to the zipped file, right click on it, and then select show more options, select 7-zip, select extract files and click on OK. Yes to all. So this way you will be able to extract it. If you are not able to extract it using this tool, it simply means that you will not be able to extract it through any other method, then the file is corrupt. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.